Wishing you all a very good day. My name is Maria John Kennedy, studying in class 10C, and I'm here to discuss the classification of manufacturing industries. Learning outcome. This activity has helped me in understanding the classification of industry in detail. I was able to learn in more effective manner on what basis these industries are classified and help to memorize these concepts more easily. I was able to know the industries are mainly classified on the basis of raw material, main role, capital investment, based on ownership, and even on the basis of bulk and weight of the raw material. In addition, this activity helped me to know more in detail of iron and steel industries and how is it in the group of basic industries. Before going on to the classification, let us see what is manufacturing. Manufacturing is the production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable product. The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. Now let us see the classification of industries. Classification based on the sources of raw materials. Industries are divided into two types, agro-based and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries which use agricultural product as raw material. Mineral-based industries are that use minerals and metals as raw material. Now let us see the examples. Examples of agro-based industry are textile industry, sugar industry. While on the other hand, the mineral-based industries are iron and steel industries, petrochemical industries, copper and aluminium smelting, etc. Now, let us see the classification based on the main rule. Basic or key industries. Are the industries those which supply the product as raw materials to manufacture other goods? Consumer industries. Industries that produce goods for the direct use by the consumers. Examples of basic or key industry is iron and steel industry, aluminium smelting, etc. On the other hand, sugarcane industry, toothpaste are the examples of consumer industries. Now, let us learn the classification based on the capital investment. Large-scale industry. If the invested capital is more than 1 crore, then the industry is large-scale. Small-scale industry. If the capital investment is up to 1 crore, then the industry is small-scale. On the other hand, in cottage industry, manufacturing activities are carried on in people's home. Examples of large-scale industry are iron and steel industry, automobile industry, etc. In small-scale industry, it is small toys manufacturing industries, bakeries, and the industries that produce school stationeries, etc. On the other hand, basket making and pickle making are the examples of cottage industry. Now, let us learn the classification based on ownership. First, the public sector. Public sector is owned and operated by the government agencies. Private sector, industry is owned and operated by the individuals or a group of individuals. On the other hand, in joint sector, industries are jointly run by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. In cooperative sector, industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials. They pool their resources and share the profit or loss proportionally. Examples of public sector are BAIL, SAIL, etc. On the other hand, private sector is TISCO, Bajaj Auto Limited, Dabur Industries. In joint sector, it includes Oil India Limited. In cooperative sector, the examples are sugar industry in Maharashtra and coir industry in Kerala. On the basis of bulk and weight of the raw materials and finished goods. Heavy industries. Industries which use heavy and bulky raw materials and manufacture heavy goods. Light industries are industries that use light materials and produce light goods. Example of heavy industries are iron and steel industry, while electrical good industries are included in light industries. Reflection. This activity helped me to memorize these concepts easily in more effective manner by not just reading and writing. In technological aspect, I was able to learn more and helped me to think and do more creatively. It also made me more confident in doing presentations in limited time. This activity helped me to develop my thinking, creativity, verbal communication, problem solving, critical thinking, and confidence. I hope I'll be able to learn and do more efficiently in these coming times, as I believe one never stops to learn. With that, my presentation is getting over. I like to conclude, and I believe that it was very informative and useful. Thank you.